NXCAD software training. Let's see about chamfer. So the chamfer we have are using for the purpose of cutting the edges of the body. Over here we have three options. One is symmetric, one is axis symmetric, another one is offset and angle. Let's say about symmetric. So symmetric means whatever the distance we give, it will be taken equally at both the directions. Okay, for example, so now I'm giving the chamfer distance of 10 mm means I'm selecting this edge. So while I'm selecting this in the horizontally also it will take 10 mm, vertically also it will take 10 mm distance. Okay, that is what symmetric chamfer. So here the chamfer whatever we are applying, we can drag the distance, or else we can apply the distance appropriately what we want. Suppose I'm giving it as 25 means we'll get the end result as show result. You can have a look at it. So this is how it will replicate. Suppose we wanted to change the distance means you can change it whatever the size you want. I wanted to change it as 15 means you just select this as 15 and you can apply. So if this is fine means we can go for apply button. Okay, right. So now the chamfer has got created. Now I wanted to edit this chamfer means you can double click on the chamfer. It will reopen the chamfer window. Now you can redefine the value whatever we want. So this is about symmetric chamfer. So basically the symmetric chamfer will have a distance of same distance whatever we give. Okay, right. So now we'll go axis symmetric means we can give the distance in both the directions as different values. For example, I'm giving in one direction as 25, in another direction as 10 mm. Okay, here you can see the vertical distance it has taken as 25 and the horizontal distance it has taken as 10. Suppose I wanted to reverse this direction. So now I want this direction to be in the 10 and this vertical direction to be 10 means then we can reverse it like this also. So whatever the direction we want we can reverse it through this reverse direction. Okay, suppose here also we can give this symmetric value as well. There is no problem at all. But if you want to go for indifferent value then you go for this asymmetric option. Okay, now I'm giving one side as 5 mm and another direction as 25 mm means this will come like this. You can reverse this like this also. Okay, right. So now you can see the end result. This is how it will look like. Now I wanted to reverse it means you can reverse it like this. Okay, right. So now we'll go to the third option. So offset and angle means this offset and angle option, you can give one direction as distance, another direction as angle. For example, I wanted to give an angle of 30 degree means you give 30 degree in one direction and another direction is 25 mm. Okay, for example, this distance has been considered as 25 mm and this angle is considered as 30 degree. That is what this 30 degree. Suppose you wanted to reverse it means you can reverse it like this. Okay, right. Suppose I wanted to change the angle means after applying the value also you can go for it. Suppose I have applied this, now I have given OK. Okay, this chamfer has got applied. Now I wanted to reverse this angle, I wanted to change this angle means then you can go for 45 degree. So you can change it at any point of time. Okay, suppose you wanted to reverse it also means you can reverse it. Okay, right. So this is how this chamfer option will work. And here we have one important option. So here you can see in the symmetric option, while you are going for symmetric and axis symmetric option only, this offset edge along. So that means the settings button offset method will be there. Offset edges along faces, offset faces and trim option will be there. These two options are very important, that when we choose what. Okay, by default this offset edges along faces will be the option will be available in the chamfer. Okay, if we need, we can change it to this offset faces and trim. So when this will be used is offset faces and edges. So for any simple geometries, we can go for this offset edges along faces option. For example, when we have a complex geometries, that means we have some solid body in which one curved surface is there, along with that one vertical surface is there, means that is kind of a complex geometry. In such a cases, we can go for offset faces and trim option. Okay, if you feel that the complex geometry is present, then you can go for offset faces and trim. That will give more accurate result for your chamfer. Okay, right. Okay, for example, I will take one more example for this to explain you another way. Generally, the chamfer will add a material or else remove a material. It depends on the surface or else edges what you select. For example, in this case, you can see now, I will hide this datum coordinate system temporarily. Okay, so in this case, you can see now there is a solid body. I wanted to apply a chamfer. Okay, so now I'm going to apply a chamfer, symmetric chamfer for a distance of 15 mm. Means here it will add a material. You can see here the body is only with a certain distance. The body is like this. When I add a chamfer, it will add a material. Okay, suppose if I am adding a chamfer to the sharp edge, means that means to the external surface, means that will remove the material. Depends on the edge what we select, it will act accordingly. See now I have selected the external edge. Now it has applied the chamfer with removal of material. But when we do inside, it is adding a material. Suppose even I wanted to select multiple edges also, you can select the multiple edges at the same instant. Okay, suppose I wanted to apply a chamfer to this vertical edge also, means you can do like this. Okay, so this is how this chamfer will work. Okay, right. So now I wanted to chamfer this vertical edge, means this vertical edge, it's a combination of multiple sharp edges. Okay, now I wanted to do this chamfer over here, means then it looks like a complex geometricity. So then you can go for face, offset faces and trim edges. You can go for it. Whatever the chamfer you wanted to give, you can give like this. See now what it does is faces, offset faces and trim means, so this entire face, even though you select the edge, the face will get offsetted like this in both the directions. Then it will form this distance of 15 mm. Okay, that is how this offset faces and trim option will work. Okay, right. So this is about chamfer. Let's see tomorrow.
Hope you understand today's session. If you have any comments, please post it. If you want to contact me through email, nx.suresg@gmail.com, you can contact me through this also. Okay, let's see in the next class. Thank you.